Hello. Today I'm going to replace the handle and bezel on my wife's Tahoe. I never got around to buying the screws, but I did buy a spare vehicle. That's a 96 Suburban, bought it for $100, has 270,000 miles on it. Either the transfer case or the transmission is bad. I'm not worried about it. I just wanted it for parts, little parts here and there. I've already used the torque converter bolts on it for my son's truck. O'Reilly's carries them for like $3 and some odd cents, but it was like $15 per bolt for shipping. Yeah, so went with this. I've already taken the taillights out of it. We'll be taking stuff off of it all the time. So I'm gonna get started. Broke, goes in the trash. Okay, and you get a drill and drill out that rivet. And I'm going to see how the door panel and parts over there look. Because that door panel is cracked, so. Well, some of the holes where the screws go for the door are bigger than the screws that are in the other door, so they've been oversized. And the other thing that I had a problem with is there's supposed to be a bolt or a nut in there like this here, so I robbed it from the parts car. It doesn't need it. So my next thing right now is I'm going to go ahead and I've got my drill. I'm going to go ahead and drill out the rivet that holds on the handle. Real simple to do. And then there's two rods where both these red connectors are, these red clips. The rods have to come off of the old one, and we can put the new one on. Looks like I've got some helpers. Come to see what's going on. So it's cracked right there. That goes in the trash. Now it's time to get a pop rivet and put it back together. Come on now. Out. Nope, the wrong way. There we go. There we go. I don't want them pooping in the shop. It's that simple. Now I put the panel back on. The panel on the other truck is brown, so it's going to stay there. Oh, I got something. Took these clips off the other car. Get some light on them. That's for the door handle. All your clips are in. And I have one of these pegs that are broke, so I'm going to replace it. I put all these parts down listed below. Show you the difference. Here's what a broken one looks like and a non-broken one. Make sure your light's plugged in. Last thing to put on. And there we go. One door handle replaced. Well, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Have any comments, questions? Leave them down below. Thanks for watching.